In this problem, we'll take a look at an inverse variation problem where we're looking for the equation. If s is inversely proportional to t and s equals 800 when t equals 3/100ths, find the equation of variation. The words s is inversely proportional to t indicate an inverse variation. We'll set up a generic equation for that relationship of this inverse proportionality of s is k, our constant of variation, divided by t. And the t goes in the denominator because of this inverse relationship. To complete this equation, we need to find the value of k. To find k, we will replace s with the given value and its associated value of t. Solving then for k, we'll multiply both sides by 3/100ths, which results in k having a value of 24. Our final equation of variation for this particular problem then will be s is equal to 24 divided by t.